Women protection system with shock. Government Tribal Welfare Girls Ashram High School in Siripadu, Velgurti Mandal, Palnad District, Andhra Pradesh. This is women protection system with shock. This whole system is on RF technology. This consists of two parts. This is encoder system and decoder system. This is a transmitter part, relay, capacitor, oscillator. This is a receiver part, microcontroller, displayer, GSM modem, SIM receiver. Alert. This whole system is in control room and this at women. We place here normal SIM in GSM mode and the system is switch on like this. After few minutes we will get GSM signal. Now we will send a message to this SIM. So that we will get a message like this. Again we will get a reply. Whenever the woman felt she insecure, she pressed the button in shock system. So alert we will send to control room and location also traced by police so that the woman can be saved.